Hey, welcome back to the channel. I have to keep this video short. I have cold groceries and a lot of them in my backpack, but I wanted to say that today I'm feeling a little bit bummed out. I'm out here on my bike, so that's the positive part, but I went to the doctor yesterday and it was for a MRI results and talking about what to do. It's not that serious. I know I'm probably over dramatic, making this over dramatic, but basically I have like a little small tear in my meniscus in my knee and some degeneration, which I hate the sound of that, in the same knee. They didn't even do an MRI on the other one, but I don't know, it may have some issues too. It all started about a month ago when I went to the doctor and just told him that when I have my earbuds in with the audio off, I can hear like a clunking in my right knee. So they ordered an x-ray and an MRI, and yeah, it revealed that there's some problems in my knee. Now, the doctor said, if I could understand this part right, that it's pretty normal at my age. I'm 43 years old, and that's fine. And he kind of recommended a PNP. I don't remember what it's called, but some kind of treatment you can do. He didn't recommend a surgery. It was too small. Anyway, my point is I'm kind of bummed out because it's the first time I've been kind of like hit with real medical results that show that I'm getting old. Basically, I'm getting older. It's also lately I've been having more of a hard time getting my weight down that I want it to be at. It's just that stubborn 5 pounds just doesn't want to go. So I guess the whole point of this video is a message to those who are younger than me. Maybe you're in your 30s or 20s. For you, I have two things. Number one, it's never too early to start getting yourself in shape. Because I believe that the sooner you start, the later you can push back these problems, and the more in tune with your body you'll be. I didn't start until I was in my early 30s, and even then it was a very, very gradual, journey. So start early. I think that can only benefit you. Also include weight training. That's something I really never have done. And my second point is to the younger folks is enjoy it, have fun, go on your adventures while you can, while your body is still able to. Somebody else I know, I'm not going to name names right now, but they're the same age as me and they have a much more serious health issue right now. Yeah, if they would have waited until this age to start having fun and going on adventures and enjoying the nature and outdoors and whatnot, travel, they might not have been able to, and it's certainly not in the same way. So that's the second message to the younger folks I want to give, is to enjoy it and make the most of your time. Plus, with family commitments and work, I can't travel and have as many adventures as I used to just even 6 years ago, as I used to be able to. For the older folks, let's say you're 40 plus, I think what I'm learning is the importance of a total body kind of health perspective. So that means diet. Really need to dial in my diet. I need to really start doing weight training and just spending the money, simply spending the money on your health, whether it be your food is going to be more expensive, your doctor's visits got to be more regular, and spend the money on the gym or the gym equipment. I think at 40, when you start getting up into 40 and more, you really have to realize that you're going to have to spend the money to take care of yourself if you want to carry that on into your 60s, 70s, maybe even 80s or whatever. So yeah, I'm a little bit bummed today, but it is what it is, and I'm glad that I did see the doctor. I'll probably get this procedure, and hopefully I can improve. Hopefully my knees can, he even told me I have a shoulder issue too, but it's not serious. Hopefully I can improve. I'm gonna take this as almost like a mini wake-up call to start really focusing on weight training. Not go crazy, I'm not trying to be a bodybuilder, but to at least have a regular weight training regimen, not just kind of once every couple years think about it, and lift a couple weights. Actually do this weekly is a lifestyle change, in addition to cycling and everything else. And there are a few people, 1 out of 100, that are going to have the genetic lottery where they don't have to care about anything, they never have any issues, but I think the majority of us probably do. So anyway, I don't want to leave it off on a negative message. I am out here on my bike. I'm able to ride still. I'm able to walk. I'm able to hike, all that stuff. So yeah, still looking forward to what's coming. And anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.